Which light switch? Which one? Oh, the stove. So, it's almost 7 o'clock, and Rob have us out here going for a walk in our own neighborhood where we met. This is where I met Rob.
You don't open the gate?
I can't. I don't know how. You be thinking that I'm just over here playing stupid. So, we're gonna go walk by the lake. What? I don't want your coffee.
Here's some coffee.
So I'm wearing all kind of different color because I'm cold. Because the jacket I brought, it doesn't have it's not a warm jacket because it was. Oh my gosh, you're so mean. Rob said I look like a bag. It is freezing out here. Like, I don't understand why. My favorite restaurant that he used to take me is right there. It's called Don Pablo. It was called Don Pablo, but it's not there anymore. And then we used to walk the lake a lot. A lot. This was like our old stamping ground. Like, this was just stumping.
We're not stamping anything.
Stumping is...
Stomping, like...
Stomping?
Stomping.
We had sex in the car over there. Yeah, we were bad kids. We were really bad. Yeah, don't be like us.
Don't have sex
We
in the
had,
car?
yeah, we had, is it indecent exposure? Pretty sure the cops would have come. Like, yeah, you gotta go. Like, sir, I'm butt naked. But anyways, I'm gonna go finish out this walk because I need to push my hand somewhere because it's cold. Why, Rob?
I don't know.
Turn it off, bro. Guys, Rob is getting handsome. Look at him. Rob, you got anything to say for yourself? You got anything to say for yourself?
I'm very handsome.
Are you playing the victim?
I'm handsome.
Are you playing the victim?
No matter what I wear.
Are you playing the victim? See, Rob can't get out of his Adidas outfit. He loves it.
I like it. I like it.
I like it.
I like it.
We need to find you some new clothes.
Yeah. We're gonna go shopping soon.
He's starting to wear the stain. The stain? Is it called stain? Color. He's starting to wear the color out the clothes. It's starting to fade.
It's time to throw it away and get another one.
Throw it away.
Oh.
You're balling like that.
Uh-oh.
So, the sun is up. Everybody's still asleep.
People sleep late in this house.
I know. We're like early risers, so this is late for us. This is like 8 o'clock.
Right now it's going to...
And we still have to... I know. We'll have our alarm going off. And we have to be really quiet because everybody's still sleeping. So, I'm just going to do... Make breakfast and roll because I gotta go to Walmart because Walmart clearance is 75% off and I need some trees for next year. So let's get this breakfast on the road. We're gonna make Bisquick. Yeah, that's right. So we're gonna do Bisquick for the kids and some turkey bacon for us, and yeah, that's it. Guys, this is Rob's and I first dining table we bought.
Yep, look at
together. It was
Still
glass.
warm.
It was glass, and it had the wooden thing here. And then when we moved into our apartment in Montgomery County, Maryland, it couldn't fit, so we left it here. We never came back for it. But it's still going. Okay, so I'm leaving that in there. So I got the pancake going here. What else it says? 1 cup of milk, 2 cups. And then if I wanted anything extra, I can add it. But we're gonna mass feed these babies and go all over town with them today. Rob wants to try out this concoction.
So my best friend is visiting from the fine state of Hawaii.
Let's see how it works.
For us today, lots of sunshine. Tomorrow we get some clouds. Notice mild temperatures Friday and Saturday. You're 60 guys. Back to you.
18 talk. Thanks very much.
Like someone pooped.
In the district, feed the city, marking the.
Hi, folks.
Hello.
You guys have the technology straight up in your face, sir.
No. Where's the brush?
Where's Mad? Okay. Well, enjoy your breakfast.
Lick it.
Huh?
Where's Maddie?
Maddie's still sleeping? Yeah?
I need a brush.
Okay.
Yeah, look.
Hey, boo. This fox is old. This is Fox's. The fox we got Destiny when she was a baby. Destiny will be 12 this year. This poor thing is so sad. She walks around with, oh Lord, the poor fox.
Happy.
This little Missy is still sleeping. Hey, good morning. Grandma's bed is so comfortable, ain't it? Come on, we gotta make the bed. You gotta eat breakfast. You gotta eat breakfast, come on. Ready for breakfast? Give me some cuddles. I'ma steal some cuddles. Cuddle with my boba. She's cranky. When she wakes up in the morning, she don't want nobody to mess with her. Cranky. Look at it. Say good morning. Alright, we gotta get up. You gotta get your dress and get on the road. We gotta go. We gotta go back up the mountain. Oh, if only she could. She will be 4 years old this year. Wow. Okay, I'm sad. So we're on our way home, but first I want to hit up Walmart because the tree that I've been searching for, it's on clearance 75% off, so I want to snag it for $5. So, and put it up for next year. So that's the best way to shop for stuff is clearance for the next season. So never buy anything full price unless you have to. Okay guys, so we are home. I couldn't bring you guys in Walmart because people, when it's clearance, people just go cray, okay? So I'm gonna flip the camera and show you guys what I picked up and my reasoning for why I picked it up, so stay tuned. Okay guys, so I spent $40 and I used 10 cash and then the rest I put on my card because I had $10. So I was like, okay, all right, let's get some something. So I got this Merry Christmas and good tidings of comfort and joy. I got this mainly for the twins' room because I'm trying to decorate each child's room for Christmas now that we have our own house. And I got the black and white ribbon because I feel like their theme for their room is going to be black and white. And so I got that so I can use these in their room. And then I picked up these because I want to start decorating the outside with lights, so I just got these. We're not sure how any of this works, so we'll figure it out next year because ain't nobody going to take that out the box. Robbie going to take that out the box to figure out how it works? Nah, I don't think so. And then I got these 4-foot snow tree. If you guys know, I know. If you guys know, all of last year I spent trying to find this 4-foot tree to style my room and I never found it. So I found these and they were $5 a piece, originally $20. So I paid $10 for these two. Amazing. And they only had 2. If they had more, I forgot all about this and just got these because it's such a good price. And then I got 2 more of these. I already own a few of these and this is the 3-foot one and they are so pretty. And then I got some wrapping paper because this is the best time to get wrapping paper. I only got 2 because I couldn't find any other ones that I like, and I don't like to buy things just because it's on clearance. So that's all I got. Are you okay? You okay? Come here. Oh, you totally face planted. Okay, all right. Love it. You going to put gas? Okay. JJ, where's Jordan?
Basement.
In the basement? What is he doing?
I don't know.
Who else is up here? Jack?
Yeah,
What are you doing?
nothing.
Nothing. You ready for dinner? I still haven't put my stuff away that I hold. And my tree's still up. Can someone turn that tree on for me, please? Turn the tree on. At least let it, you know. This is the longest. Is this the longest I've ever kept Christmas up? I think so. Where are you going, sweet girl? Oh, you taking out Jojo? Okay. Alright. Rob, I'm gonna just lay here forever.
Yeah.
Would you like that? Would you like me to just lay here forever and ever? Maddie, sweet girl. Hi, sweet girl. You're growing up so much.
You already started on dinner?
Yeah.
Alright, there you go.
Alright, bye.
I'm gonna fix the car.
Alright, folks. Rob's gonna go put gas in his car, and I'm gonna go start on dinner. It's 5:20. Whoa, whoa. When Rob is asleep, I take advantage. I legit wasn't gonna put dinner on unless, cause I'm not hungry. I'm not hungry. Let me fix my hair. Let's make dinner together. Rob put this here. I gotta get the twins to do their chores. Oh my gosh, I'm so tired. It's like New Year's came. The New Year's is here. I need to learn to speak this year. The New Year's is here, and I'm like extremely tired, more so than ever. No. Let me go cook dinner and come back. Okay, so dinner is done. So it's just ground turkey, cabbage, and vegetable. And yeah, this is done. I'm gonna make Rob some egg and for extra protein, and this is done. Rob's eggs on. I put on more than 2 for him because I don't want to keep boiling eggs. So dinner's done, and I'm back to my my position on the couch from earlier because I have a headache. I've been having like headaches now, like in the evenings, much later, like when the evenings like almost, when the day is all like almost done. I've been having these headaches, and I don't know what it is. And I find that I'm like extremely drained. So yeah, I don't know what it's about, but maybe I'm just tired. Maybe I'm just tired because it's kind of hard to show you guys like a typical day in my life. Like it's kind of hard to capture that. You know, it's hard. You know, so I am tired. But I gotta go make an appointment to see my doctors and make sure everything is okay. But with all of that said, this is the end of the video. Dinner is cooked. Rob should be back home, so we're gonna get ready to eat dinner in a second and finish out the new year. So happy new year to every single one of you. It's January 1st. Tomorrow will be January 2nd, and my dog is going crazy. So if you're not a subscriber, consider hitting that subscribe button down below. I don't know why you would. And join our family, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye guys.